Okay. So, good evening everyone. So, by the way, my name is Louis Pior. So, this will be our first, officially first video na magtatakal tayo about our personal journey from the first, kumbaga, first title or first na ano natin, topic is about being employed and then to self-employed. So, what are the pros and cons, no? Kung if you are employed and if you are self-employed. Sa part ko po is dati akong employed, but ngayon I've been in self-employment for the past ilang years na ba? 19, 20, 21, 23, 24. So, almost 6 years I think. Pero there are also months na nag-try ako